Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 17th, 2020. Here we are once again giving you all a update on the price movement of XRP according to the trap. He's the one that is directing the flow of the market, whether it goes higher, it goes lower, or just trades sideways. And we're tracking his movement just to give you all a heads up as to where the market is headed before it actually gets there. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell notification. We definitely want to make sure you all stay updated whenever we deliver content to this particular platform. And if not, you can also join us on other social media presence on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Also, you can follow us on our own website at HueFinancial.com. Just to make it convenient for you, all those links are in the description of each and every one of our videos. So here we are. First, let's speak on what occurred into the market since our last video on XRP. Okay, being fully transparent with each and every one of you all, we told you back here on October the 14th, which was the last video we did for XRP, that the market was going to go lower in price. And you guys can see it for yourself. The market did go lower. We anticipated that on the 14th, got ultimate TP out into the market on the 16th. So 2 days. It just took 2 days for the trap to follow our forecast. Great. So the profitability in that was 4.72%. That's done. It's over. Let's get rid of it. And now let's speak on what we're noticing into the market so far, because in actuality, I really don't see a lot going on into the market in XRP. I don't see any traumatic movements on the forefront that can instill that we got a big move going on into the market in XRP. The only thing that we know is that the market in XRP is weak. Okay, we are closely encountering an area of ascension to where the market in XRP is in an uptrend. So we need to keep our eyes focused. Like, the market is going to make a decision maybe in the next 2 days whether we're going to hold this support line, this ascending line, or are we going to continue to go higher, or are we going to break that to the downside? So this is where we're at. This is nothing confusing. It's not complicated. I just don't understand why so many people try to instill complication in their price charts as well as in their jargon. It doesn't take all of that. The only thing we need to know is what is the current market sentiment, which right now, over the last 4 days for XRP, is weakness. The next thing we need to look forward to is if the trap is going to hold our ascending line, period. Okay, so that we're going to be on the lookout for. Let's take a look at the market in XRP on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see right here that, yeah, there's nothing changed. The market in XRP is still exhibiting weakness to us. So we're not confused. We are already following down that path that the trap is feeling weak in the market for XRP. The question that you need to find an answer to is, okay, how low will he take the market before we hold some support? And you can see it on the 3-day time frame that initially we can see the market trap try to come in and hold support around 23 cents. That's going to be the initial area that he's going to try to hold the market in XRP, which, not by coincidence, is where the market ascending line is too. So if we hold this support at 23 cents as well as trade above that ascending line, those two things indicate that he wants to increase the value of XRP. We're not there yet. So we still need to be on guard for what he has in store for us in the market. But again, nothing has changed in terms of what we're getting right now in the market in XRP. And this 5-day chart even concludes that the market in XRP is still weak. We will still be expecting some movement to the downside in XRP according to this 5-day chart. So on the daily time frame, we have weakness. On the 3-day, we're noticing weakness, and even on the 5-day, we are all still seeing weakness into the market. But that doesn't mean that you need to be scared, because like I told you, 23 cents is an area of support, and we're not that far. So let's say we were to put in a short into the market in XRP and stated that the support is going to be around 23 cents. That's still a 5% movement to the downside, which is not much considering that we're still trading around 24 cents. So about a penny difference. Penny difference gives you about 5% market movement to the downside. Okay. And here, even on the weekly time frame, we got rejection right there at 26 cents in XRP. And I've been reiterating that to each and every one of you for the last couple of videos, that if the market does not break above 26 cents, we already know what to expect: weakness. And that is precisely what is going on into the market in XRP. Now, from a weekly perspective, the market is exhibiting that we can actually go a lot lower than 23 cents, given how we've seen 6 weeks of this market in XRP trying to break above 26 cents and it wasn't able to do it. So 23 cents in the long term is still in jeopardy of being broken to the downside, just for those who are looking long term into the market for XRP. Just want to tell you that too. So on this particular video, what do you think we're going to do our forecast for? Exactly, movement to the downside. So let's go ahead and do that on the daily time frame for XRP. And we're going to hold market restriction around 25 cents. But again, a bigger area of restriction is at 26. Okay, so we're just going to tag it out, restriction around 25 cents, which is about 3.36% market movement to the upside from where we are at right now in XRP. And we're going to hold some support in XRP at 23. All right, which is about 4.91% market movement to the downside for this currency. And that's it. So our TP price is going to be at 23 cents. I'll say in or around it, because you guys can see right here on the lows of these particular bars that the market actually come here and bounce. Okay, which is at 0.2353. Okay, so just be watchful of that too. But just to give us all a nice round area that we can focus on would be around 23 cents. All right, so this is our forecast, our expectations. Now is your opportunity. What do you see in the market for XRP? Where will the market be trading in the next 3 days? Higher, lower? Tell us with your comment in the comment section. It's just that easy. Don't make it complicated. Anyone who cannot predict price movement is not fit to be talking about price charts, period. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we will talk again on our next video.